You could call this the perfect summer's day today. Beautiful blue skies, very warm, if not hot at times, but there's a gentle breeze gently blowing the grass tops behind me, and to add a touch of autumn almost, the heather is starting to flower and is looking quite beautiful too. But it's not just the sights of summer that's here at the South Lawns at Clumber Park today. It's very much a sound of summer. A sound of summer that we have now in Nottinghamshire that we didn't have 30 years ago. And now it's everywhere. And if I shut up for a minute, you may well be able to make it out. You can hear a high-pitched buzzing. That's the species that I've come to see today. Here's a very summery sound. If you walk pretty much across the southern half of the UK now and increasingly further north, and you walk in amongst long grass, chances are, if your hearing's good enough, you can hear this songster. This is a male Russell's bush cricket, and this is the long-winged form, although it looks as though already its wings have seen better days. And it's just been singing very nicely. But here at Clumber Park on the South Lawns, they're in big numbers here. You can look across the grass and you can see them sitting near the tops of the grass, and in many cases they're singing away merrily to attract a female. It'd be nice if this one starts singing again, but it's going to go off. Or is it? Just settled down to another vantage point. And now it is singing. They give this sort of low-pitched buzzing sound. I can hear it very easily. And certainly people that are younger than me should be able to hear this. But apparently as you get older, it becomes more difficult. So I'm very lucky that I can hear these, and I can hear long-winged coneheads and short-winged coneheads. And it's nice to do, or be able to do that. But these are fabulous things. They're difficult to approach, very difficult to approach. But I've never seen so many as there are today. These have obviously done really well, despite the fact that most invertebrates haven't. Lots of different orthoptera here on the South Lawns at Clumber Park today, but especially Russell's bush cricket. It's a large chunky cricket, and the long-winged form here is prevalent during hot summers. So they say, but I don't think this one's read the books. But you can see how that buzzing sound is made by vibrating the wings. Nice that this one is being so obliging. This is a species that you can go out and look for or listen for on the nearest bit of rough ground near where you live. Doesn't need any specific habitat type, just long, rough grassland.